Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to use AI to crush your goals. To get started, I logged into my account at socra.com. By default, it opens your journey dashboard. Journeys are the Socra core feature. They help you plan, track, and navigate your goals from start to finish. And right here on the right side panel, I have all my actions coming up. I'll get started. I'll create a new journey. I'll choose something very simple so we can go through the entire process together. So here I'll choose a custom journey and I'll say I want to make a strawberry cheesecake. And I'll get started. Welcome to the journey dashboard, and this is Socrates. Socrates is the AI agent on the Socra platform. He initiates conversations with you and he also asks clarifying questions so he can give personalized guidance other than just general advice. So he's asking if I have any dietary restrictions or preferences. Notice that he's generating insights for my journey. Socrates will generate insights when he has enough information to predict the duration, difficulty level, impact, and odds of success of your goal. He's estimating that it's going to take me 2 hours for the cheesecake and that my odds of success is 90%. And you see that he also gives a summary. Socrates has broken down my goals into milestones. I can add each of these items to my journey by simply clicking on them. I could also add all items or add remaining items by clicking here, and all items will be added at once. Socrates also set a reminder for my journey. He estimated that's going to take me 2 hours, but he set a reminder for 7 days from now. I can go and I can change the date and time of my reminder. I can also choose to have email reminders. If I get an email reminder, I will receive a notification with a summary of what I have to do. But I can also ask Socrates, please change my due date for tomorrow at 3 p.m. It's like magic. As you see, the date has changed, 1 day left. This is just one of the things that Socrates can do. And he can do that because he's an AI agent, which means that he's capable of performing tasks for you. So what gives Socrates his superpowers to act as an agent is the Socra Toolkit. Every time he uses the toolkit, you're going to see this symbol in the message, and it's going to show you which tool on the toolkit he used. To manage the tools he has access on the toolkit, you can also come over here and you can select. He has access to your journey. He knows what items I have to complete. He knows what is the status of these items. He has access to my reminders, my progress, my insights. He can generate my insights again when he has more information about my goals. He can make searches on YouTube, internet, and much more. Another thing that you can do is that you can change his role. His default role is coach, but you could also change for teacher, expert, friend, and more. So here I'm gonna just keep this as is and I'll mark done. I can ask Socrates for videos that will actually work, and links that will actually work. I can also ask, please regenerate my insights. And as you see, right now he's regenerating my insights with the new information that I have given to him. Now that I have this set up on this tree, I can go and I can work step by step to achieve my goal. So the first step that I have here, I can open and it creates a new journey. It's like each step is a journey, and I can continue building within this tree infinitely. So this is the main power of Socra. I'm going deeper into my tree and he has context of how everything falls into place. He knows I'm making strawberry cheesecake, so when I say I want to gather essentials and equipment, he's asking me, what do you already have on hand? Cake crust, low-fat sour cream, eggs, and cream cheese. So this was enough information for him to generate my insights again, because now he knows what I already have and he knows what I need. Go ahead, I'll copy these ingredients and I'll paste them in my notes. So Socra has a notes feature where you can insert all sorts of things, tables, code, drawing, equation. You can also add media, emoji, links, and format your text. As I complete each step on my journey, I can just mark them done. And over here, I'll go back to my main journey dashboard. I'm all done making my strawberry cheesecake, and I'll mark this journey complete. This is a very basic overview of Socra and how you can use AI to crush your goals. Remember that you can use Socra for virtually any goal. I would love to hear in the comments how you're using Socra. Thank you for watching.